I know you've heard of a hashtag. I know you've seen your friends use a hashtag. And I also know you're still asking yourself, what the hell is a hashtag? Outside of the digital world, you may know the hashtag as a pound sign. Yeah, you probably see it on your dial-up telephones. Alright, it's on real cell phones too. But soon enough, kids may be calling that sign a hashtag. The symbol was popularized on Twitter in 2007 after a guy by the name of Chris Messina actually tweeted about using a hashtag or a pound sign to categorize certain tweets together. Since that time, it's grown from just Twitter to pretty much every social media platform. That's Facebook, that's Instagram, that's Pinterest, and Tumblr. Most big social media platforms use a hashtag. So what the heck is it? As I mentioned before, think of a hashtag as a category. Let's say you're interested in football. If you look under the hashtag NFL, you're going to see information and content related to that hashtag. That's photos of players getting ready for the game, videos of the current game itself with live updates. You can see news reports and coverage from big media stations, or just fans tweeting out about how excited they are for the game. If you look under the category NFL or NFL football or anything similar to that, you're going to see that type of content. This goes for anything else you're interested in, whether it's sports, politics, entertainment. Everything has a hashtag. It's so difficult to find something that doesn't have a hashtag nowadays. Another popular use for the hashtag is trending topics. You've probably heard the term used on your local news station or big entertainment sites. All that means is there are a lot of people posting about a certain topic at any given time. You may see that National Ice Cream Day is trending on social media at a certain time. That means there are a lot of people sending out photos and videos and just general excitement for National Ice Cream Day. And the hashtag really popularized a lot of these fake national holidays. I know you've heard of National Ice Cream Day, National Coffee Day, National Hat Day. Everything has a national day. Yeah, we get it. But it's just a fun way to use hashtags, actually. It's a fun way to share your content with your friends and family. You may also see hashtags being used on your favorite TV shows. So in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, you're going to see hashtags that are related to something going on. That way, everybody goes on their social media, tweets that hashtag, and it gets that topic trending. One more great use for the hashtag is to spread information quickly. So you have probably seen a lot of online challenges, such as the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, where people would dump water under their heads to raise money and awareness for ALS. This was a great way to quickly spread awareness on social media about this cause. And people would share these videos with their friends and family. Anybody that followed you would see this, and they would also use that hashtag ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. You may have also heard about challenges like the Tide Pod Challenge, where kids were apparently eating Tide Pods.
Dangerous online trend, kids swallowing laundry pods, putting it on YouTube for everyone to see.
Not everybody was doing this, and the ones that were doing it were crazy. But the news likes to show these things off and the big challenges going on. Now you know what a hashtag is, but how do you use it? Well, let's say you're posting about your son's first day of school. You're going to take a picture of your son, as you usually would, go like you're posting it on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, and in the description, in the post, you're going to put hashtags, such as hashtag first day of school, hashtag kindergarten. You can also personalize these a little bit more with your son's name, hashtag Johnny's first day of school. Not as many people will be using this hashtag, but you can later find it and know it's your post. Typically, you're going to want to use about 1 to 5 hashtags if and when you use them. You're not really going to want to go anywhere over 10, 15, 20 because that just kind of clutters up your post and frankly makes people not care as much about what you have to say. You can capitalize hashtags or lowercase letters wherever you want as long as you keep the word together. In the example, first day of school, you're going to want to type that out as one long word, no spaces. Also, No numbers and no punctuation marks. Those are never included in hashtags. Now that pesky pound sign won't be annoying you anymore. You know how to use it. Use hashtags sparingly and as often as you want. Hashtags are meant to give some personality and flair to your posts and get people that are interested in the same topics to find what you're talking about. And now you can hashtag too. If you found this video helpful or interesting, I'd really appreciate it if you share it with your friends and family who aren't that digitally savvy. My goal is to help people young and old understand digital media. Until next time, see you later.